We know about trigonometric ratios. If this is the angle which we are talking about, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec, then this side adjacent to this angle will be base, and obviously this is hypotenuse because opposite side to the right angle, and this will be perpendicular. So in this case we will get sine theta equal to BC by AC, because BC is here perpendicular and AC is here hypotenuse. So in that way we will get this value, cosec theta equal to AC by BC. What is AC? AC is hypotenuse, and what is BC? BC is perpendicular, because cosec theta formula is hypotenuse by perpendicular. This formula will be same, but side can change if this angle will change. So if I will take this angle, then what will be the base? Then base will be, hypotenuse will be this side, so base will be BC and perpendicular will be AB. Now one thing, this is 90 degree angle, this is theta. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree minus theta. Now I want to derive this angle's trigonometric ratios. So what will be sine 90 degree minus theta? The formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and for this angle what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular will be BAB. So AB, and hypotenuse is obviously AC, so just write it. Now see which ratio is AB by AC. In here, in the terms of theta, AB by AC. AB by AC is cos theta. Not any other ratio will be AB by AC. See that. This one, no. This one, no. This one, no. This one, no. Only this one, cos theta. So we get that, we get a relation that sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, so we will get some other formulas also. So we have seen that sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta. In this way we will also get cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. And these 6 formulas will get. You can see by just deriving what is actually getting. Like in this process, इसी same process से निकाल के देखना, यही result आएगा cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. अब इसे याद कैसे रखना है? For remembering what you have to do, कि just you have to remember that sin cos, between sin cos we can make complementary angle formula, between tan cot we can make complementary angle formula, and between sec cosec we can make complementary angle formula. Actually this is easy because इसी सीरियल नंबर से हम सारे रेशियो याद रखते हैं, और बस ये दोनों आपस में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कर रहे, ये दोनों आपस में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कर रहे, और ये दोनों आपस में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कर रहे, तो इसमें अलग से कुछ याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमेंबर के कौन किसका रेसिप्रोकल होता है, तो तब उसके लिए अलग से करना पड़ता है कि कोसेक जो है वो साइन का होता है, सेक जो है वो कॉस का होता है, और टेन कॉट तो आपस का होता है. तो ये वाला तो काफ़ी आसान है.